Hey guys, what's going on? Easter's coming up, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this new model I just designed. It's an Origami 3D Easter egg, and it's called the Waterbomb Easter egg because it's folded from a water bomb base. And yeah, and I taught a couple Easter eggs last year, but this new version I just came up with is a lot cleaner, and it looks a lot better too. And yeah, it's pretty cool looking. And Jeremy Shafer made a nice one right here too, last year. So alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this one. So let's begin with a 6-inch square of kami. You could try it from a sheet of printer paper cut square. So let's begin white side up and fold in half. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. Unfold and fold in half this way. And yeah, this is a pretty simple model, so this is a good one to try out. Alright, and now fold the corner up to the top. Turn over and repeat. Alright, open the pocket, bring the sides together like this, and flatten it. Okay. And now, fold up like this. And repeat. And yeah, and if I'm going too fast, just pause the video and catch up. But I'll try and go slower. Okay, and turn over and repeat on this side. Fold the two corners to the top. Okay, and now rotate like this so the flaps are facing you. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold these corners to the top, but you don't have to make the whole fold, just make a pinch just in the middle there. So it just marks the middle. So now we're gonna do is we're gonna take these two top flaps and fold them to the middle, like this. And try and keep the layers down too. So hold them firmly. And repeat on the side. So hold the layers down and fold the corner up. Okay, and yeah, let's go ahead and repeat on this side too. So fold to here. We're just making our pinch so it marks the middle. Alright. And then fold to the middle and hold the layers down. Okay, now comes a kind of tricky step. Well, not really, it's just a valley fold. But what we're going to do is we're going to take this point and we're going to fold it to the middle. And it's not going to flatten right here. And that's good, it doesn't need to flatten. But we're going to fold this corner to the middle, like this. And just fold as far as you can. So just fold it like that. Alright, and then unfold that. And repeat on this side. So take this corner and fold it to the middle. Like this, and this is going to stick up and just fold as far as you can, like that, and unfold. Okay, now open this pocket, and might need to put a pencil or whatever in there. So open that pocket up, and we're going to take this flap, and we're going to fold it down on the existing crease. Like that. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this flap, and we're going to fold it so that this point right here touches that point. Okay, just like that. And then crease that nice and sharp. Alright, unfold it. And now we're going to open up this flap right here. And you might need to put like a pencil or something in there. And then we're going to refold this, tucking that point inside the pocket. Like that. Okay, and now we're going to repeat all that on this side. So kind of open this partially and fold this up on the crease, and then fold this point to here. Alright, unfold that, and now open this pocket on the right here, and then refold, tucking this point inside. And doesn't matter if it gets kind of messy in there. That's right. Once it's tucked in there, then you're in good shape. Okay, and now crease everything sharply, and this side is complete. And now we're gonna repeat all that on this side. And I'm going to fast forward this part. So if you don't remember, then rewind to this point. Okay. And now we're going to just shape it to taste, round it so it makes the egg shape. So just fold this flap about like that. It's to taste. Shape it to taste. And repeat on this side. Alright, and do right here too. And it's a little bit trickier on this side because it's more layers. But yeah, same thing. Fold it to taste. And crease as sharply as you can so it stays down. Alright, and repeat on this side. Alright, and now the last step is we're going to blow it up. So just separate these two sides right here, and separate here too. Make sure you're folding on all layers, and just blow into that hole. Here it goes. Alright, once you did that, here is our egg complete. And yeah, zoom in so you can see it up close. So yeah, it's a pretty nice looking model. I'm pretty psyched about it too. And these are kind of sticking up. You can just fold them like that to keep them down. But yeah, and here's the one I showed in the intro. So there you have it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding this, and make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.